When your complexion looks lifeless in the mirror, it can affect how confident you feel. City pollution, lingering dirt, and dead surface cells can all build up, leaving skin looking dull rather than fresh and luminous. Clearing away that buildup is an important first step toward a brighter-looking complexion. Celavive Exfoliating Scrub Mask is designed to help take skin from lackluster to more polished-looking in just a few minutes. It combines a gentle scrub with a purifying mask in one formula. The brand says it deep cleans and detoxifies after use, while supporting cell turnover and helping defend against the visible effects of pollution. Its beauty benefits focus on 3 visible concerns: helping improve skin texture and minimize the appearance of pores, reducing the appearance of dark spots and discoloration for a more even-looking tone, and visibly renewing the look of firmness. The formula pairs gentle hydrogel beads with charcoal to help lift away dirt, oil, and dead skin. It also contains Olivol Botanical Blend, which supports hydration and helps protect skin from the visible side effects of air pollution. Your face is covered with pores and they have 2 different roles. Sweat ducts release perspiration, while hair follicles contain most sebaceous glands. Those glands produce sebum, the natural oil that helps hydrate and protect skin. Pores are useful, but they can become blocked by excess sebum, dirt, dead skin, or sweat. When that happens, blackheads can form, and pores may look wider and more visible than they otherwise would. That is why cleansing morning and evening matters, along with choosing non-comedogenic skincare and makeup. As part of that routine, the dual-action exfoliating scrub mask helps address the buildup that can make pores look more noticeable. Not every physical scrub treats skin the same way. Some brands use harsh particles such as apricot kernel shells, which the source notes can cause microtears and may leave the skin barrier more vulnerable. Celavive uses hydrogel beads instead. They are made from naturally pliable glucomannan fiber derived from konjac root and coated with a soft gel, creating a gentle exfoliating texture rather than a sharp, abrasive one. As they exfoliate, the plant-based beads help absorb excess oil and impurities while replenishing moisture. They are also 100% biodegradable, so the formula is designed to be gentle on skin and kinder to the environment. Large-looking pores are a common concern because they can make texture more obvious. When regular cleansing does not sufficiently clear dirt or excess sebum, pores can appear stretched, making a deeper but gentle clean especially useful. On the mask side, charcoal helps purify pores, while mineral-rich sea silt is included to nourish skin as the formula works. Left on for up to 15 minutes, the mask is designed to help draw out excess oils, sebum, bacteria, and other impurities. The source reports visible results quickly. After only 1 use, skin analysis showed less dead skin on the surface, increased smoothness, and a smaller pore size. Individual experiences, of course, can vary. Exfoliation is only one part of maintaining a healthy-looking glow. The formula also includes hydration-focused extracts that support skin's natural renewal process, helping a dull-looking complexion appear more refreshed over time. Olivol Botanical Blend is USANA's exclusive hydration blend in this formula. It is described as delivering 24 hours of hydration by helping skin attract and hold water like a sponge, which supports a soft, smooth-feeling skin barrier. Saccharide Isomerate is another hydration helper. This natural sugar, isolated from a marine-sourced microorganism, penetrates deeply to support the skin's natural ability to replenish moisture and remain hydrated for longer. Skin renews itself in layers. Over about 28 days, cells move from the deepest layer toward the surface, where they are shed. As this turnover process becomes less efficient, dead surface cells can leave the complexion looking dull. Saccharide isomerate helps promote that natural turnover by weakening the adhesion of dead cells that are ready to shed from the healthier layer beneath. The source compares this action with alpha-hydroxy acids, while describing it as gentler on skin. One study cited by the source found that, after 4 weeks of using Saccharide Isomerate, skin appeared measurably smoother and pores were less visible. Skin faces air pollution every day, indoors and outside. Vehicle emissions, industrial activity, building materials, smoke, and even events such as fires can release pollutants that may eventually show up in the way a complexion looks. The skin barrier is the outermost layer exposed to that environment. It helps keep moisture in and unwanted substances out. According to a cited review, repeated heavy pollution exposure can overwhelm those defenses and contribute to oxidative stress. A well-rounded approach works on 2 fronts: support skin from within with antioxidant-rich foods and essential nutrients, and support it externally with sensible sun protection and targeted skincare ingredients designed to address pollution's visible effects. One of those targeted ingredients is Camellia Japonica flower extract. This hardy flower is rich in protocatechuic acid, a polyphenol. Alongside charcoal's surface purifying role, it gives the formula its anti-pollution positioning. The source says Camellia Japonica helps improve skin hydration and softness. Its antioxidants help neutralize oxidative stress associated with pollution exposure, supporting a youthful-looking appearance and helping reduce the visible effects of photoaging. The source also cites research from an urban center in Korea. After participants used a lotion containing Camellia Japonica for 8 weeks, the study reported a significant reduction in the appearance of skin wrinkles. Together, the scrub and mask help cleanse away dirt and dry surface skin without stripping vital moisture. Used consistently as part of a weekly skincare routine, the formula is designed to help maintain a clean, soft, refreshed-looking complexion. After cleansing, apply the Exfoliating Scrub Plus Mask generously to the face and neck, using gentle circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. For a deeper purifying mask treatment, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. For best results, the source recommends using it 3 to 5 times per week. Avoid contact with eyes, discontinue use if irritation occurs, keep it out of reach of children, and do not swallow. If you would like the price list, leave your email below and I will send it to you. The product link is in the description, and you can also explore the related Celavive routine videos on this channel.